Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Algae Complete. BioGuard Algae Complete prevents and kills green, mustard, and black algae. BioGuard Algae Complete is a highly effective fast-acting swimming pool algae destroyer. Algae Complete is formulated to complement most swimming pool sanitizers. Effective and non-staining when used as directed. When used as directed, you will see results in 24 hours. Non-foaming and can be used in swimming pools with attached spas or jetting returns. Product benefits: kills and prevents all types of algae. Works with most types of sanitizers except biguanide. Formula does not stain pools. Dosage directions: initially apply 8 ounces of this product per 10,000 gallons of pool water. Thereafter, for weekly application, add 1.5 ounces per 10,000 gallons of pool water. For 2-week application intervals, add 3 ounces per 10,000 gallons of water every other week. Useful tips: Algaecide should be added to your pool water on a weekly basis. Preventing algae is the key to fun in your pool. Algaecides act as a backup to your normal sanitization program and prevent algae from starting and growing in the pool. Algaecide should be added after every shock treatment. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.